अरे 223 पोलांचे ज्याचे प्राइस 35,000 आसा ते तुम्ही टेंडर जे आसा ते 45 crores पॉयंट 71 लॅक्साक दिता म्हणल्यार एक पोल हो जो आसा तो 20,49,000. वॉट कायंड ऑफ क्रुएल जोक इज दिस? सगळ्या गोंयकारांचो पैसो जो आसा, हाव दिस गव्हर्नमेंट इज टेकिंग वी गोंयकार्स फॉर ग्रांटेड. We are rightful taxpayers for this government, and how this government in turn is looting our money is what we are going to talk about today. Today's issue is we are on Atal Setu, as you must be knowing, friends. This is a beautiful creation by L&T company, and the whole credit goes to our Goan taxpayers. आणि पणजेचे लोक जे taxpayers जे असतात तांकां हे सगळ्यांचे क्रेडिट वता. सो दिस इज प्रोबेबली द वर्स्ट फेदर इन द करप्ट क्राउन ऑफ गोवा बीजेपी एंड पणजी बीजेपी, which is Panji BJP, which is headed by Siddharth Kukalkar, and in a quest to expose all this ill doings of this man, this is the final nail in the coffin. If you don't wake up now, then I don't know what is to be done. So if I have to talk about all this issue, I am on Atal Setu today. As I said, it is a beautiful creation by L&T company, and thanks to our Goan taxpayers, the credit doesn't go to any political party. So आता I have pictures, if you can see the poles here which are fixed on this bridge with the electrical fixture on top. Their manufacturing cost is about 33,500. So for benefit of doubt basis, we can consider it as 35,000. म्हणजे या चोरांक समजा खावंक जाय पयले पयशे जाल्यार 35,000 इन्क्रीज केली रेट आणि आमी समजा लायले जाल्यार देर इज नो हार्म. आता हे पोल्स जे आसा they are about 223 in number, on Atal Setu, and you will be surprised to know that the total tender which was passed illegally to fix these electrical poles along with the electrical fixture, the tender, without publishing the tender notice in the newspaper, it had been given to L&T company, and in turn L&T company was made and rather pressurized to give it to one shell company which is from MAPSA. Basically the partners are from MAPSA. The amount sanctioned for this company for this electrical pole fixture is 45 crores 71 lakhs. 45 crores 71 lakhs divided by 223 poles. The original cost of these poles, as I said, maximum if you consider it is 35,000. या चोरांनी या 223 पोल्सांचे इल्लीगल टेंडर जे आसा ते गोंयचो एकटो वालावलकर म्हणून दोग जाण जे भाव म्हापशाचे जे आसा तांच्यांनी एक शेल कंपनी फॉर्म केली. तांकां इल्लीगली ह्या चोरान सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकारान, who was then and still now the vice chairman of GSIDC, allotted, he presided over all the meetings of GSIDC regarding this electrical pole fixtures. ताजो अमाउंट हांवें जो सांगला तो 45.71 crores. आता तुम्ही गोंयकारांनो, सगळ्या पणजेकारांनो, divide 45.71 crores by 223 poles. The final sum which we get is 20,49,075 rupees. That means 35,000 एक पोल हांच्यांनी वाडोवन 20,49,000 20,49,000 ह्या रेटीक आपल्या चमच्यांक दिल्या. हांच्यांनी पब्लीक टॅक्स प्लेयराचो इतलो इन्सल्ट अँड ह्युमिलिएशन. आय कॅन never imagine this kind of the level of corruption which is happening. So this is probably the final nail. Panjim BJP contesting MLA Siddharth Kukalkar is completely responsible for this. So can you imagine the level of corruptions here? 35,000 पोल जो आसा तो 20,49,075 रुपीजांक हांच्यांनी हो फिक्स केला. Atal Setu is a beautiful creation by L&T company, but behind every developmental projects of these guys, there is a humongous corruption, there is a humongous fraud which is involved, and we are the victims of it. सगळे गोंयकार आमचे टॅक्सपेयरांचो पयसो ह्या चोरांनी चोरला. So this is the final nail in the coffin. 35,000 poll along with the picture. Again I am repeating, it is being given at inflated prices at 20,49,074 rupees. Total tender without publishing it in the newspaper was of 45 crore 71 lakhs. So जे आमचो पयसो आमकां कांयच बेसिक फॅसिलिटी ना. अगेन आय एम रिपीटिंग विथ सम पेन हियर. We Penjimex are deprived of water supply, electricity supply. The roads are in, they are like war-torn roads, worst road, interior Panjin asat. आणि आम्ही टॅक्स मागीर कित्याक दिवप if we are not getting anything in return. अरे 223 पोलांचे ज्याचे प्राइस 35,000 आसा ते तुम्ही टेंडर जे आसा ते 45 crores 71 lakhsक दिता. म्हणल्यार एक पोल हो जो आसा तो 20,49,000. What kind of cruel joke is this on our constituency and on the state of Goa? So let's wake up, friends. आता आम्ही उठपाचो टाइम आयला.